Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find new followers on your messages section on your account on Rednote. So as you see, go to the Rednote section first, and here as you see you are on the explore page. On the home section, go to the messages, and as you see here you will find new followers. Click on it, wait a second, and here as you see you will find here you can find people you might know, so you can follow anyone here you want. As you see, you can click more and find more people or discover more people, and that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.